I learned Excel in 3 easy steps using Chat, and it can do the same for you too. So let's get started. No. 1. Ask ChatGPT to explain complex concepts in simple terms. Learning Excel can feel overwhelming. Formulas, charts, pivot tables. Where do you even start? That's where Chat comes in as your personal Excel coach. For example, I asked, explain the VLOOKUP function in simple terms. And voila, it provides a simple, easy to understand explanation of what VLOOKUP is and how it works. It also gives examples. Now if you want to see how this actually works in Excel, just ask Chat to show you an example in Excel and boom. There you have it, a practical example of how to use the VLOOKUP function with an error check. Not only that, but I can even ask follow-up questions like what if my dataset is sorted by name instead of ID? And it updates the formula accordingly. This is so much more effective than searching through endless YouTube tutorials or trying to read up on blogs that make things even more confusing. With Chat, you get a personalized learning experience tailored to your needs. You can learn at your own pace and ask as many questions as you want. It's like having a personal Excel tutor right at your fingertips. Step 2. Get ChatGPT to give you practice problems. Once you have a good understanding of a concept, it's time to put your knowledge to test. Ask Chat to give you some practice problems and it will generate a bunch of practice problems for you to solve. The best part is these problems are customized based on your skill level. So start with something easy and then work your way up to more difficult problems. This is a great way to build your skills and confidence at the same time. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to build dynamic formulas. Building formulas can be tricky in Excel, but ChatGPT makes it easier. Here's how. First, describe the calculation you want to make. Then ask Chat to write an Excel formula to calculate that. Finally, ask Chat to make it dynamic. That means the formula will adjust automatically when your data changes. And voila, there you have it. A dynamic formula that works for your needs. In addition to that, you can also ask Chat to create real-world scenarios. For example, you can ask, create a scenario where I need to track monthly expenses. And then Chat will create a sample dataset for you along with the formulas and charts to visualize your spending. This is an excellent way to learn how to apply your Excel knowledge to a real-world scenario. There you have it, a quick and easy way to learn Excel using ChatGPT. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up, this AI shortcut changes the game. So go ahead and give it a try and don't forget to subscribe for more.